this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Apple Pay could not complete payment. First, check the wallet app and your bank or card account to make sure your card is active, has sufficient funds or credit, and that all billing information including zip code and expiration date is correct. Next, ensure your iPhone or Apple Watch has stable internet or cellular connection and try authenticating again with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. If the problem continues, remove the card from the Apple Pay and re-add it to refresh the connection. Updating your device to the latest iOS or Watch OS can also fix software glitches that prevent payments from completing. And finally, contact your bank or card issuer to verify there are no holds, restrictions, or fraud alerts affecting your account. So that's it.